So good afternoon to all. Today we will discuss about the braking system. So what is the braking system and types of braking? So there are generally three types of electrical braking for motors. One is regenerative braking, another is dynamic braking, another is plugging, or the of the three methods. Slow plugging provides the fastest stop. Plugging provides the fastest stop, but it can be harsh on both electrical and mechanical components. Because of this, it is the least commonly used method of braking, but it is appropriate for some application. Okay, so plugging, what is this plugging actually? So sometimes referred as a reverse current braking is possible in both DC motor and AC induction motor. For DC motor, plugging is achieved by reversing the polarity of the armature voltage. When this happens, the back EMF voltage no longer opposes the supply voltage. Instead of back EMF and the supply voltage work in the same direction, opposing the motor rotation and causing it to come to a near instant stop. So that means here we can say that the reverse current produced by combine of supply voltage and back EMF is extremely high. So resistance is replaced in the circuit to limit the current. So you can see the circuit here. Actually here you can see the supply voltage, and this is the our field winding, and this is our armature winding. So DC motor circuit regular motoric action in left. For plugging, it is in right side. So you can see the here we can reverse the voltage. That means we will connect here in opposite directions. Like here we connected a rheostatic resistance here, which is used for limit the current value, and here is the armature winding. So notice that for a plugging operation, the armature voltage is reversed. The armature voltage is reversed and the resistance is added to the circuit. So this is called as a plugging. So that means here I told that the DC motor plugging is achieved by reversing the polarity of the armature voltage. Obviously here we reverse the polarity of armature voltage. Okay, when this happens, the back EMF voltage no longer oppose the supply voltage. Okay, so instead of back EMF and supply voltage work in same direction. So here both EMF, back EMF and your supply voltage work in same direction, because your armature voltage is reverse, same direction, opposing the motor rotation and causing it come to near instant stop. That means here this type of braking, so both are in same direction, supply voltage and your back EMF. So it is voltage work in same direction, opposing the motor rotation and causing it come to near the instant stop. The reverse current produced by combine of supply voltage and back EMF is extremely high. So resistance is placed in the circuit to limit the current. That is the thing here. Here resistance is there for limiting the current purpose we have here. Okay, so for AC induction motor, the starter voltage is reversed by interchanging any two of the supply leads. Okay, the field then rotates in the opposite direction. In other words, the rotors spin faster than the rotating magnetic field in the starter. So the torque is developed in the opposite direction in the motor rotation, which produces strong braking effect here. But in case of AC induction motor, starter voltage is reversed by interchanging any two supply leads. The field and the field then rotated in the opposite direction. In the word, the rotor spin faster than the rotating magnetic field in the starter, so torque is developed. Obviously, they develop in an opposite direction of the motor rotating, which produces a strong braking effect. So plugging is the method of speed control in induction motor. In this method, the connection of the induction motor are reverse, which will create a reverse magnetic field which opposes the speed of rotation and hence drive stops. By applying plugging, we stop the drive and also called plugging or reverse braking of induction motor, dynamic braking or rheostatic braking. Okay, so this is the called as a here it is a AC in case of induction motor. This connected to the this will connected to wait yeah this you can see this is connected to here and this is connected to here. So that means it is in reverse. Okay, but actually it will connect here. This is connected to the first line and this is connected to the second. So that and the supply voltage is here is reverse. So this is called as AC plugging. AC in case of AC, this plugging mechanism. So next come to dynamic braking or rheostatic braking for a DC motor. So what is this rheostatic braking? It is also known as a rheostatic braking. In this type of braking, the DC motor is disconnected from the supply. That means here this type of braking, the DC motor is disconnected from the supply and a braking resistor RB is immediately connected across the armature. Okay, the motor will now work as a grater and produce a braking torque. During the electrical braking, when motor works in the generator, the kinetic energy stored the rotating part of a motor and connected to the load is converted into electrical energy. It is dissipated as a heat in the braking resistance RB and armature circuit resistance RA. Clear? So equalizer connection. What is this equalizer connection? So for traction work, where two or more motors are employed, they are connected in parallel for braking. Because series connection would produce too high voltage kinetic energy of the vehicle is utilized in driving the machines as a generator, which is dissipated in a braking resistance in the form of heat. To ensure that two machines share the load equally, and equalizer connection is used as shown in figure A. So you can see here this is a equalizer. Here no two motors are connected in parallel and here here the field winding and this is the resistance. This is called as equalizer. Cross means here it is a cross. That means your first motor is connected to the field winding 2 and here second motor is connected to your field winding 1. This is called as a cross. So come to what is this actually equalizer connection. So figure A, if it is used in machine whose acceleration built up first would send a current through the second machine in opposite direction, causing it to excite with a reverse voltage, so that two machines would be short circuited on themselves and the current would be dangerously high. Equalizer prevent the such condition. Hence equalizer connection is important during braking in traction. Okay, so this is the equalizer connection. And cross equalization connection means in the cross connection of the field machine 2 is connected in a series with a armature machine 1 and the field machine 1 is connected in the series with a armature machine 2 as shown in figure. So it will be great current through a field of machine 2, causing it to excite a high voltage as the same machine excited 1 is low. Because of low voltage in machine 2, hence machine 2 will produce more voltage and machine 1 is reduce. Thus automatic compensation is provided and the two machines operate satisfactorily. Because of cross connection during the braking of traction motor, current in any of the motor will not go to very high value. So you can see here this is the diagram of your cross connection. Okay.